You should come in with me now, Okie Day. Master Qui-Gon, are you sure there's no records of an underground city? We better check anyways. What are you doing? What do you think you're doing? Why are you hunting her? I was just following my orders. Sir, the search party's searching for the droids. We've almost found them. Great work, Private. It's an ambush! Get down! No, I am your father. No! That's impossible! Luke, help me take this mask off so I can see you with my own eyes. Now leave. But Father, I came to save you, not abandon you. Luke, you already